Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 7, subject Physical Science, chapter 6. Students, already I have finished these lessons, physical and chemical changes. Next I have revised short answers and long answers. Okay, so first short answers. First, give reasons, 2 marks questions. Give reason, 2 mark question. First questions, iron pieces used in homes to carry water or galvanized. Iron pieces used in homes. Iron pieces எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம் நம்ம வீட்ல யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். To carry water or galvanized. Already I told galvanized. So to prevent the iron rusting, that is the galvanized. So what is the reason? Iron when comes in contact with oxygen and water. Already I told oxygen and water air la mix ஆகும்போது தான் rusting is form ஆகும். அதுதான் சொல்றாங்க iron when comes in contact with oxygen and water undergoes rusting, hence it is coated with zinc. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா zinc அப்ளை பண்ணா the deposited layer of metal chromiums of zinc ion, this process is known as a galvanization. Okay, second question, iron object get rusted very fast in coastal areas. Iron objects get rusted very fast in coastal areas. In coastal areas climate is humid. Humid means ஈரப்பதம் அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So that is the coastal areas. So iron rust is faster. Okay, next define molecule. Next one is the define molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element. Next one is the defined compound. Compound is a substance made from a chemical combination of 2 or more elements. So compound is a substance made from a chemical combination of 1 or more substances. Already I told chemical changes 1 or more substances to form new ones. So that is the compound. Next short answers. Give one example for displacement reaction. Give one example for displacement reactions. So example of CuS4. CuS4 means copper sulfate. Cu means copper, SO4 sulfate. So copper sulfate. Fe already you know, iron. To form FeSO4 plus Cu. How to form Cu plus Fe? So FeSO4 plus Cu. FeSO4 plus Cu. இங்க இருக்கிற Fe sulfate combined with ions. So iron sulfate. Iron combine with sulfate to form iron sulfate and release of copper. Brown deposit. Okay, that is the rusting. Okay, next define galvanization. Galvanization is the process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron. Zinc on iron. That is the galvanization. Next 3 more questions. What will happen when a pinch of baking soda is added to vinegar? How will you test the evaluation of a gas? Write the reactions involved. Okay, first when a pinch of baking soda is added to vinegar, or pinch of baking soda இது கூட add பண்றோம்னா vinegar, bubbles of carbon dioxide gas are evolved. அப்ப என்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்னா bubbles ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். carbon dioxide bubbles evolve ஆகும் with hissing sound, means மாதிரி small sound, கம்மியான சவுண்டில் ஸ்லோவான சவுண்டில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். The gas produced is carbon dioxide. The gas produced is carbon dioxide which can be tested by bringing a burning matchstick. Bringing a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube which gets extinguished. So first ஒரு pinch of baking soda ல vinegar add பண்ணும்போது carbon dioxide gas evolve ஆகும் within sound. Next என்ன பண்ணுனா the gas produced in carbon dioxide which can be tested by bringing a burning matchstick. So அந்த gasல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா matchstick வந்து burn பண்ணுவோம் near the mouth of the test tube பண்ணும்போது which gets extinguished. This is the equation, that is the acetic acid, vinegar, CH3COOH plus sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, NaHCO3. So this is the baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. இதில் என்ன add பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா baking soda ல vinegar add பண்ணுறோம். baking soda என்ன பண்ணுறோம் vinegar add பண்ணுறோம் to form sodium acetate CH3COONA, CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2, H2O plus CO2, that is the water and carbon dioxide. Students, this is the equations. CH3COOH acetic acid, this is the packing soda. So packing soda, pinch of packing, take a pinch of packing soda, add vinegar to form sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. How to form this equation? First, acetic acid plus vinegar, acetic acid plus packing soda combine with CH3COOH இல்லையா, இதில் என்ன மட்டும் சோடியம் அசிட்டேட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்னா CH3COONA, CH3COONA. Remaining which one is balanced? Hydrogen plus HCO3, hydrogen plus HCO3. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா water molecule how to form? இதில் ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன், இதில் ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன், H இந்த CO ரிமைனிங் CO இது போயிடுச்சுன்னா ரிமைனிங் CO3 இருக்கும். இந்த CO3லேருந்து ஒரே ஒரு ஆக்சிஜன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோன்னா HOH ஆட் பண்ணால் வாட்டர் அண்ட் ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிறது CO2, கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு. தட் இஸ் த ஈக்குவேஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த வாட் இஸ் நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன். வாட் இஸ் நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் reaction? An acid react with base, an acids react with base and the radicals are exchanged to form salt and water, and the radicals are exchanged to form salt and water. So hydrochloric acid plus NaOH, that means NaCl, sodium chloride plus water. So how to form NaCl, NaCl, remaining HOH, that is the water. Okay, so that is the neutralization reactions. Next, 2 long answers students, 2 5 marks. First mark already I told what are the difference between physical and chemical changes. So physical changes and difference between physical and chemical change. Physical change, it is a temporary change. Chemical change, it is a permanent change. Chemical change is a permanent change. It is mostly reversible reactions. Chemical change is a irreversible reactions. Physical change is no new substances are formed. Chemical changes are new substances are formed. It involves change in size, shape, color and state. It involves change in chemical composition only. That is the difference between physical and chemical changes. Next long answers. Define rusting of ion. Write a chemical equations. How to form rusting? First, rusting is a chemical change. Rusting is a chemical change which takes place in the presence of air and moisture. எப்போ அது rusting ஆகுனா, it takes place in the air and moisture combined with oxygen and water from the air. Okay, next, rust is a reddish brown powder. Rust is a reddish brown powder deposited on iron objects. Deposited on iron objects which is formed by reaction by ion with air and water present in the atmosphere. எப்போ rust form ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, mostly rust என்ன கலரில் இருக்குன்னா brownish color and deposited on iron objects deposit ஆயிருக்கும், which is formed by reaction of iron with air and water. அந்த iron மேலே air இருக்கும், airல oxygen presence ஆயிருக்கும் and water, இது மூணு mix ஆகும்போது to form a rust. So it is hydrated on iron oxide. It is hydrated on iron oxide. Iron plus oxygen plus water to form hydrated iron oxide. Rust already I told. Iron Fe plus oxygen plus water to form iron oxide, to form iron oxide. Students, I have revised short answers and 2 5 marks. So all of you revise this question answer and write in your classwork note. I have attached PDF. Okay, so all of you read this work. Okay, thank you students.